Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Woocommerce in 2025. To connect CJ Dropshipping to Woocommerce in 2025, you will need to follow a few steps to integrate the two platforms. CJ Dropshipping offers a plugin that allows seamless integration between their service and your WooCommerce store. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to the CZ Dropshipping website at www.cjdropshipping.com. Sign up for a new account by providing your email, password, and other necessary details. After signing up, log into your CZ Dropshipping account and go to your dropshipping dashboard. Log into your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to plugins, then add new and search for CJ Dropshipping. Then enter. Find the CJ Dropshipping plugin by CJ Network. And click on that and install now. After installation, click activate to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, a new menu item called CJ Dropshipping should appear in your WordPress dashboard. Go to CJ Dropshipping, then settings. You will be prompted to log in with your CJ Dropshipping account. Use the credential you created earlier. In the plugin settings, you will find the option to link your WooCommerce store to CJ Dropshipping. You may be asked to authorize the connection by providing your store URL and confirming the permissions for the integration. After successful authorization, your WooCommerce store will be connected to your CJ Dropshipping account. Once your store is connected, go to CJ Dropshipping, then product search. You can search for products by entering keywords, categories, or using CJ's advanced filters. After finding product you want to sell, click Add Import List. Once added, go to the import list and click Push to Shop. This will send products to your WooCommerce store. You can edit product details including prices, titles, tags, etc. Shipping methods. CJ Dropshipping will automatically offer various shipping options. You can choose your preferred method under CJ Dropshipping, then settings, then shipping. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. Payment methods. Ensure that your WooCommerce store has payment methods set up like PayPal, Stripe, etc. under WooCommerce. settings, then payments. Whenever you receive an order in your WooCommerce store, it will automatically sync with your CJ Dropshipping account. CJ will handle the order fulfillment, packaging, and shipping. You can monitor order statuses from your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. You will receive automatic updates on the tracking information, which can be shared with your customers. You can manage all your products details and orders and customer support from your WooCommerce dashboard. Use CJ Dropshipping's order management and analytics features to track inventory and sales performance. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.